Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pinch pot using air dry clay. So grab all your materials and let's get started. Okay, so I have the DAS brand of air dry modeling clay. I have it in the white color. If you have Play-Doh at home or modeling clay at home, a different kind, you're welcome to use those as well, of course. If you do have Play-Doh though, I would just use Play-Doh to practice. I wouldn't use Play-Doh to create an art that you plan on keeping for a long time, or a piece of art that you'd like to gift to someone. If you're looking into keeping this or gifting, I would definitely look into an air dry clay. So what I'll do is I'm going to start with a small section and I'm going to roll that into a ball. Okay, and I can do that by squeezing and rolling like this with my hands. So squeeze, 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 and roll. Once I have a ball, I'm then going to use my thumb or my finger and put a hole in this ball by just pushing down. You'll notice I also have a piece of black paper here on my table. This is just a piece of scrap paper that I'm using to protect my surface. So if you're at your kitchen table, your counter, wherever, you do want to make sure you have something on down to protect it. Okay. So once I have this hole, you'll notice that my hole doesn't go all the way through, right? I don't want a donut. I just want a hole that goes almost the whole way to the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to put my thumb back in and my fingers on the outside, and I'm going to pinch. Okay, I'm going to pinch and turn. And I'm going to have to use my sense of touch. Right? I'm not going to be able to see where it's thick, but if I really just use my fingers and feel, okay, this is thinner here, but it's thicker down here. I'm gonna pinch where it's thicker to try and get my sides the same thickness all the way around. And it does take a little bit of practice. So again, I'm just feeling for thick areas. I can't see them, I just gotta feel. And I will keep going until I am satisfied with my pot. Okay, so I'm finished forming my pot. The thickness, the sides are about the same thickness all the way around. I can feel that I've done a pretty good job of getting all of the thick areas pressed out. Okay, so that I have something like this. Now if you look closely, you're gonna see that there are some cracks here. So that's where a little teeny bit of water is gonna come in. I'm just gonna dip my finger in here and use my finger and that water to just smooth out some of these cracks. I want to be careful not to use too much. Okay, so once I have my pot the way that I like it, I actually am going to set this off to the side and I'm going to let it dry for probably a day, maybe even 2 days, until it is completely dry. I'm not going to be able to paint this or add color in any way until this is dry. So I'm going to set this off to the side, let it dry for a couple of days, but I just want to show you one more way to make a pinch pot. So I could make a pinch pot using more of a cylinder shape as well, rather than a circle or a sphere. Okay, so I'm making a cylinder by kind of rolling in my hands together like this with the clay in the middle, right? And then also using my hand to just kind of flatten the ends like this. And then from there, the same thing. I'll put my finger down in the center to create a hole, but I'm not going all the way through. And then I'll shape my sides. Thank you so much for making art with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see your pinch pots, so have a grown-up take a photo of your pinch pot and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.